What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now, I've had this for over 2 weeks, and I wanted to talk about 6 things I absolutely love about this device. As we all know, this was one of the most anticipated phones of 2021, and there's some love, there's some hate, there's some in between. We don't know. Is it hype? Is it hate? What's the real when it comes to the Pixel 6 Pro? Well, let's get into it. The first thing that I love about the phone is the price. Well, let's just get that out the gate. $899, you get 128 gigabytes of storage. You get 3 colors. This is the Stormy Black. Also comes in a cloudy white. Also comes in a Sorta sunny. So for 899 bucks, I think that's a really good deal when you're shopping for a smartphone. You don't have to deal with the prices as far as the Apple and Samsung charge for their flagships. They're over 1,000, sometimes 1,500, sometimes 1,200, depending on the storage capacity. And if you want a 256, you're paying under $1,000. Yeah, it's only $1, but it's only $1,000 that you're paying for the newest flagship from Google. So for me, I think you're getting a great phone. You're getting a phone with a new design, a new camera, new software, new chip, the new Tensor chip. So for that, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, the other thing that I love about this phone is the design of it. This thing, I think, stands out on its own. It's got its own character, its own design. It didn't copy Apple. It didn't copy Samsung. It didn't copy any other manufacturer out there. Google came out with their new design. They got that cool camera bar that houses that triple threat, or the big 3 cameras there. So I think the design is absolutely perfect. It's a creative, eclectic workmanship that stands out amongst its competitors. And you get that Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and back with new camera bar, like I said. And you get those 3 stunning colors on your Pixel 6 Pro. Now, the other thing that I love is I love the display on this, okay? It's a huge Quad HD display that features 120 hertz refresh rate. Now, you go anywhere from 10 to 120 hertz because it has that LTPO technology on here. So you get that awesome refresh rate. Now, the one thing I will say about the display is when you outside, is not as bright as Apple or Samsung. The nits are more on that phone. So you do get that advantage when it comes to the display on some other devices. But overall, I think is one of the things I love is the absolutely stunning display. So if you can avoid the sunlight or go outside, I think you're going to be okay. I think the display is huge, it's beautiful, and I absolutely adore it. The fourth thing that I love is the software on the Pixel 6 Pro. It comes with that Android 12. The text to speech is excellent. It has translation on it. I mean, you have the new Android 12 material design where you could set up all your theming here. You get the dark theme, you get your themed icons on here. So you want to change to the dark, boom, you're good to go. You come back out and you get your dark theme going. You also get these theme colors that match your wallpapers. And Android 12 is just running beautiful on here, smooth as butter. I absolutely adore the way this thing is working. And you get the new Tensor chip on here that is powering 12 gigabytes of RAM, and you have no issues getting around on this. It is fast, it is speedy, and it is amazing. You also get that Titan M2 security chip. You get the translator on your phone, like I said already. I mean, this thing has so much, and it's just a clean design. It's just feature rich. Yeah, it doesn't have as much features as maybe Samsung, but the features that it does have, it's very clean, minimal, and I love texting and sending emails on here with text to speech. Or speech to text. It is just awesome. Now, the fifth thing that I love on here are the cameras. Now, you get that 50 megapixel wide, you get that 12 megapixel ultra wide, and you get that 48 megapixel telephoto. That is just awesome. Okay, you get a 4-time optical zoom, super res zoom that lets you zoom 20 times. I mean, it is just, and the camera, as far as portrait, you get some really good shots on here. I love the way the pictures come out on here. It is just phenomenal. I'm gonna pull up some here that I've taken. I mean, it is just insane, the pictures that you get on here. There's my dog, Gigi. She's so cool. Look at that picture. That thing came out so cool. And then you got features like Magic Eraser. You got all kinds of different features that you can do on here. Face the blur, real tone, so it gives you the real tone of different colors of different folks that you're taking pictures of. Also motion mode. The video is pretty good on here. I have no complaints as far as the video on here, man. It looks really good. And the sixth thing that I like on here that I think is been a little controversial when it comes to this phone is the battery. You get a 5,000 milliamp battery, so it's such a huge battery, but you're dealing with a 120 hertz quad HD display. You're dealing with a new chip. You're dealing with new cameras, all kinds of stuff. So does it last you to the day? It lasts me through the day, no problem. I get up 7, 8 o'clock. I get home at 7, 8 o'clock, and I'm at 30, 40%. I can make it to the next day. I can make it through the night. I get screen on time varying from 7 to 8.5 hours. It gets plenty of battery. Now, the one thing I will say, if you just did get this phone, give it a week, give it 2 weeks. You'll start to see if it's finding its sweet spot as far as camera life is concerned. And that, for me, is enough for me. I mean, yeah, it's probably not going to get as much battery life as maybe an iPhone 12, 13 Pro Max, because the way it's optimized on the Apple ecosystem, it does a little better. But I think it's very competitive when it comes to the Samsung phones and some other Android phones. I think you get plenty of battery life on here. So to summarize, I love the price, $899. I love the design. I mean, look at that. That thing is just a home run hitter, if you ask me, okay? I love the display. Look at that. That is just beautiful display. I love the software, Android 12, running smooth as butter. Butter, no butter, okay? And then you got your cameras, okay? You can take great pictures, great video, the works. And then finally, the battery. I love the battery. The battery's good enough for me. 5,000 milliamp gets me through the day. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. If you want to get this wallpaper, dope wallpapers on the Google Play Store, and just search Joker. And you'll be able to find that cool looking wallpaper. Look, that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm Android Stud. Leave a comment down below if you have the Pixel 6 Pro. What do you love about it? And what do you hate about it? I'll have another video later talking about some of the things that I don't like. That'll be coming out soon. And then hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when great videos like this are coming. That's gonna do it. I'm Android Stud. The Pixel 6 Pro. After 2 weeks, what do I love?